I think this. Hey, it's Kelly back with another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing my friend Jay's bath bombs. Basically, you know, we just wanted to link up and, you know, show off his bath bombs before his pop-up event September 26, 2020. It's going to start at 10 a.m. and it will be at Eastside Park in Lancaster, California. You can contact Jay Hatfield on Facebook for more information, or if you would like to become a vendor. I basically I already recorded like the video, so this is me coming back with the bomb that I used and doing the intro. So yeah, he makes these, they're homemade, they're organic, and he just really uses like essential oils and things of that nature. This one that I got is the tea tree bath bomb, and this is the lavender bath bomb. And I tried to get a good, like, you know, the camera wouldn't focus when I was in the bathroom, but this is basically what they look like. It's about the size of your hand, honestly, and it's pretty thick as well, pretty thick, and a little weighty, so you know, you can definitely, they're pretty dense. I was able to just like cut open a little top, like at the top of it, something like this, just pull it off and start sprinkling and squeezing it out, and it's pretty soft, honestly. When he gave them to me, they were cold, so I kept them in the refrigerator because he said he kept his in the refrigerator. So I kept mine in the fridge until I was ready to use them, and when I took them out, basically, you know, I just let them sit out, like, you know, and it wasn't hard, it was really soft, and I just broke it up and sprinkled it into the water, and yeah, it smells so good. It's like tea tree oil and like something else, like almost tea tree oil and lavender. I told him I like lavender, so stay tuned. We're in the bathroom and we have the bath balls. I'm gonna go with I think this one is the tea tree oil and this one is the lavender, so let's just go with the lavender. Okay, so the dark one is the tea tree one. He basically told me to just crumble a bit up however much I want and put it in there. There's a hole at the top right here, so I'm basically just gonna, he said it should fizz up, which is, so I'm just squeezing it out. Wow. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna run a bit of water. And this is what the water looks like before I step in, so I'm not dirty. So basically, I'm just here in my tub now, enjoying this soap. It's really great. It smells great. It smells like tea tree oil, and there's bits of I guess it's like rose or something. There's like bits of like rose petal in here and stuff like that or something. So yeah, I'm really feeling it. Honestly, he needs to come out with like some type of soap or something. I would definitely buy it because it smells nice. My bathroom smells nice. I'm thinking about emptying the whole bomb in here, like, you know, just picking it up and emptying it. I'm gonna run some more hot water and just empty it. It's landing on my leg and fizzing. I feel so uncomfortable. the level like my water is up to. I'm deeply enjoying this. Literally my soaps are like about to get drowned. Oh, whenever I'm with him. Thank you so much for watching. Where's this? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please be sure to check out all of my music on all major streaming platforms now. And don't forget to be there for Jay's pop-up shop, September 26, 2020. It's going to start at 10 a.m. and it will be at Eastside Park in Lancaster, California. You can contact Jay Hatfield on Facebook for more information, or if you would like to become a vendor. Thanks, and have a bath bomby day. Thank you so much for like.